Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud if it's not receiving emails. Now, if you're in the Mail app and you're in iCloud, but you swipe down and you're not getting those emails, the first thing we're going to do is swipe up and close out of that Mail app. And now from here, let's tap on your settings icon at the top left. And now within the settings, let's first just toggle airplane mode on. This disconnects from your Wi-Fi and mobile networks, and just toggle it back off, essentially just to refresh everything and make sure it's not an issue with your internet connection. The second thing we're going to do from here is tap on cellular right under Bluetooth. And if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see cell data. Now let's tap on the show all option here, and we want to make sure that the Mail app is turned on. If this is turned off, this will prevent that Mail app, including iCloud emails, from being able to update when you're on cell data. So make sure that is toggled on. And now after you've done that, let's go back out of here and diagnose some things in the iCloud account. So at the very top, let's tap on your name. And the first thing I would recommend doing is tapping on iCloud here, midway down, you can see that. And at the very top, let's check to see if you have enough storage. If you've run out of storage on iCloud, essentially you won't be able to send or receive those emails because there's no space for them to be taking up on your iCloud. So make sure you have enough storage here. And now next, we'll get into your mail itself. So next to Save to iCloud, let's hit See All. And then here you can see iCloud Mail, and let's tap on it. Of course, if this is toggled off, then you won't be able to see any of those emails, so make sure it is turned on. But let's also check a couple other things here. You can see addresses, tap on that, and where it says 1, and make sure this is set to your primary email address. In my case, this is my iCloud, and make sure it's set to the primary one. And then let's go back out of here and then scroll down to mail forwarding. If you have this turned off, potentially you're forwarding all of your emails to a different email account. So if this is toggled on, just toggle it off to be able to get those emails to your iPhone. Now, the next thing we're going to do is hop out of your settings and open up the App Store here. When we open up the App Store, let's check to see if there's an update for the Mail app. Potentially there's a bug in it, and that's why it's not working. So let's just search for Mail here, and you'll be able to see there's the Mail app. If it says update, just tap on the update button to get the latest version. However, if it says open, then you already have that latest version. The next thing we're going to do to definitely get that fixed is to do a force restart on your phone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until we see the Apple logo appear. So volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. You'll be able to see it says slide to power off, but I'm just going to keep holding because I want to hold it until I see the entire iPhone screen go black, and then hold it until I see the Apple logo. When I do see that Apple logo, just like that, I can lift my finger up, and I've done a force restart on my iPhone. This almost always fixes the issue. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.